Hey guys, welcome to Shiloh's Temple, and today we're doing this Mohawk 2-strand twist style, so stay tuned to see how this is done for your cute little toddler. So I have a full video on how to do 2-strand twists on your kid's hair or toddler hair, but we're reiterating it again in this one, and this is a Mohawk style. And these are the products that I use. You can use any type of cream or gel that you want that's suitable for your child's hair. This is the ones that I have on hand, and that's the edge control that I have on hand, so that's just what I use, but you can use any one that's suitable for you. This is just what I have. So you can see I'm starting in the back, and I'm parting her hair in small sections, and I'm doing these twists kind of small because I want them to last in her hair. And what I do is I mix the cream with the gel solution together, and I kind of make like a mixture, and I just put that on my fingers when I do the twist. And on the scalp, I put on the root, I put the edge control on there because I want the scalp to be kind of, tight, because I want it to last. And I'm just going through and I'm just twisting this. So I also have this already pre-parted, the sections pre-parted on the sides, so that I know where to twist that on the side. So I'm just showing you how I do these 2 strands twist in the back, and then I think I'm going to go and do another row to show you again as well. And you can do these twists bigger or smaller, whatever is suitable to your child's hair. I just did it this size. I like this size on her hair, and it lasts pretty long. And that's just the parting that I did, and I did this on both sides, and that's going to give us that Mohawk type look. So we're just going to finish that back portion up real quick, just like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and start on the sides. So I'm starting on the one side, and I'm just using my edge control to just put that on the scalp portion and just get her little baby hairs out the way. And what I love to do is pre-part the sections. I love to pre-part so I can just already have it done, and I can just go ahead and get to it. So I'm just pre-parting all the section, and I'm put about 4 flat twist here, and you can put however many you want. If you want to do it bigger, if you want to do smaller, the 4 is just kind of proportionate to the other twist that I have in her hair. And I'm just going to put some edge control on the root part of it, and then I'm just going to flat 2-strand twist that. Now if you don't know how to 2-strand twist like flat, you can just put 4 braids on the side if you want, if that's easier for you. And then when I get to the end, I'm going to use that solution, that mixture that I have, and I'm just going to 2-strand twist the ends with the mixture, and then I'm just going to do that whole side. So I'm finished with both sides, and that's what it's looking like. Shiloh is looking like whatever. I keep trying to get her to look at the camera. So I'm going to take 3 more sections in the center, and I'm going to make those rows go to the back. And then once I finish those 3 sections, I'm going to start to go towards the front, and I'm going to do those twists going frontward, just to kind of make it more so that mohawk type look. I'm not doing the mohawk look where the twists are going to the back, but it's going to fall in her face some. So these 3 sections right here, I'm just going to do the same twist I've been doing, and I'm doing them to the back. So once I get done with those center sections, I'm going to start parting her hair horizontally, and I'm going to start twisting. So these twists are going to come down towards the side. So I made them go to one particular side of her hair, whichever side you like to do your child's hair, and I'm still just parting them in equal sections, and I'm just going to flat twist them. So again, I'm going to start flat twisting these ones downward, or a little bit, it looks like I'm going backwards, but I'm going to start doing the twist downward, and then bring them a little bit forward so they can, you know, just to give that mohawk look. So I'm done with all her sections, all the hair. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to put some oil on her scalp because we want her hair to grow. And I should have did like a little length check, because if you check the last video, her hair has definitely grown since then, and that was a few months ago. So this is the finished product. I was trying to get Shiloh to look up into the camera, but it wasn't working. So this is what she looked like when I told her to look up. Yeah, she wasn't feeling it. So yes, so I pray that this style worked out for you guys. I pray it was easy for you to do for your moms, and moms that don't know how to do hair too well. I pray this is an easy style to do, and it's gonna last. So make sure you like and subscribe to Shiloh's channel, and we just thank you for watching.